Hello viewers across the globe. Welcome to InfoDem. Happy New Year to everyone. For those people that have been asking me to do video on affiliate marketing, I will be dropping a WhatsApp link, a WhatsApp group link in the description box of this video. You can join the group there because I've not been able to come online or to do any video because of my work. But I believe on WhatsApp we are going to have a good interactive session unlike Facebook. So that is why I am dropping that link so that you can join and will be able to interact and to continue with affiliate marketing teaching. Now, this video is about free Bitcoin mining. A lot of people are still doubting it. This is one of my wallets. This is my wallet on Binance, and as you can see, what you are seeing up here is my BTC that I mine and transfer to Binance. So if you are doubting it, I want to encourage you not to doubt it. I remember I did a video on how to mine free BTC, and I said there in that video that there are two links. The first link that I introduced, I discovered that it has been very hard for anybody, including me, to withdraw my BTC. But this other one that I've been able to withdraw 0.0009 BTC is what I'm dropping right now, and I want to do a full tutorial on it, on how to maximize and how to get your BTC, how to get to 0.003 BTC on time. So that is the essence of this video. So right now, let us go straight into the tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to go to the description box and click the link on how to join free BTC mining. When you do that, when you register, don't forget to add the application to your home screen for you to be able to access it anytime, any day. Add it to your home screen. Now, if you have done that, let me go to the application. As you can see here, I've added it to my home screen. So let me open it. And also, before it's open, I want to encourage everybody. The bull run is around the corner. Please take post. Take your position. The money we want to make in this space, in this crypto space, is not a small money. So I will encourage you to take your position. If you know you are not mining all these free cryptocurrencies, you don't have the app, please buy. Right now, with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, you can continue accumulating your crypto. If you have any question, when you join the WhatsApp group, you can ask me on how to go about all this, because the big thing or the biggest thing is about to happen. So I will encourage you to take post. If you are not mining ICE, this month, early this month, ICE did their first distribution into OKX exchange. That is OKX wallet. I received mine. If you are not mining, I will encourage you to start mining, because they will enter open mainnet by October. Before then, you can still achieve something. And also, I want to encourage you, when you accumulate your crypto, don't be so anxious to sell it. Don't be so anxious to sell it. Keep your crypto. At least you can keep it for, let's say, 5 years, 3 years, and so on. Don't be so anxious to sell your crypto. please, if you are not mining Pi, you are not doing yourself any good. I will encourage you to start mining. If you have started mining and you lose guard, you lose hope, please don't do so. Continue mining Pi, because Pi is an upgraded version of Bitcoin. If you don't know, where Bitcoin ends, that is where Pi will start. So I will encourage you to start mining Pi. Now, let us go straight. If you have added the free Bitcoin to your home screen, whenever you open it, this is what you see. This is what you see. So this is how to mine. You scroll down, 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 then you come to this place where you see I'm not a woman capture. You click it. Once you click it and it mark, then you roll. Look up here, you will see it. As you can see, it has been added to my mined amount here, as you can see. Now you will notice that here you saw you win 0.00002 BTC. If I had activated my free BTC bonus to 100%, at least that two that was added would have been 4 BTC. That is how you can get your BTC to 0.003 as fast as possible. Now, how do you activate that? What is most important here is that you must be mindful of this ROP, that is reward point. Reward point. Now, if you go to home here, you will notice, if you look at the notification here, it say 5 times reward point promotion start in 17 hours. That means tomorrow in 17 hours time, my RP, whenever I roll, RP here, as you can see, this is my RP down here. This is 4 reward point. RP means reward point. Reach 17 hours from now, whenever I roll, it's going to give me 20 RP. 20 RP. Now, what is the essence of this RP? The essence of this RP is to boost your mining percentage. For example, if I come to this place, you click the 3 drop down here, I come to reward. If I click reward, then I scroll down. As you can see, this is my reward point that I have so far. Now, I can come down here and click here. I click free BTC bonus. Whenever I click free BTC bonus, I scroll down, you see 100% here. This is 100% bonus. Whenever I click 100% bonus, I click 100% bonus. As you can see, your bonus has been successfully activated. Now, in an hour's time, when it is time for me to roll again, instead of me having that 2 BTC added to my mined BTC, is going to be 0.0000004 instead of 2. That is the essence of activating 100% bonus of ROP. So that is why it is important that you gather ROP. You gather ROP. Now, apart from that, another thing I want you to know is that there's this lottery reward. I will advise you to disable the lottery reward. If you disable the lottery reward, instead of you getting the lottery ticket, you will be getting ROP instead. How do you disable the lottery reward? You come down here to profile. So as you can see, you come down here to profile, you can see here disable lottery and interest. You click it. As you can see, I've already disabled it. You check this box here. You see it successfully disabled. You check it. You can leave the interest, because at times the interest can do you good. Just disable the lottery. Once that is done, then you can be able to accumulate. You can be able to accumulate your RP, that is your reward point. Another thing is that every day you will be sent an email. Always check your email every day, maybe every evening or afternoon. Let me go to my email. This is the one that I received today. You will see free Bitcoin, freebitcoin.in. That is free Bitcoin. Whenever you click it, whenever you open it, it's every 24 hours that you will be sent this message. Whenever you open it, you scroll down, you come down here where you see one free spin credit. You click it. Whenever you click it, it will open. You open it with your free Bitcoin. The reason why this one will not open is because I've already spin. It will still open, but it will tell me that I've already used this. As you can see, sorry, this free spin has expired. Please check our next promotional email for a new free spin. So this mail is sent every 24 hours. So what you do whenever it opens like this, the next thing you want to do is to check the box, then you spin. Whatsoever you get, you can get any gift here. You can get RP reward, you can get free BTC, and anything that you get, it will be added to your mind BTC. So that is how it works. So don't be surprised. And so I won't be surprised when some people, have been complaining that they have been mining for a very long time, and it look as if the thing is not working. This is what they have been facing. This is why they have not been able to gather enough coin, and the thing has been, moving slowly. So these are the things that you need to do, and also you can refer people too. When you refer people, also it will also add to your BTC. So if you are not mining, I want to encourage you to go right there. And I'm very sorry, anxiety has not been making me to do video whenever I withdraw this BTC, but I promise as soon as this one hit 0.003 and I'm about to withdraw, I'm going to do video on it so that you too, you can watch the video and be able to transfer your BTC to Binance. So I want to encourage you, position yourself, please. This is something big is about to happen in the crypto space. If you are not mining, buy crypto. No matter how little the amount, buy crypto and keep. And don't forget, if you are not mining anything at all, please mine Pi. If you need the link, I'll be dropping the link below so that you can as well, start mining. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to InfoDem, like this video, share this video if you find it interesting, and don't forget to position yourself. Until I see you in my next video, I want to say be good.